Sora is the new AI video app from the makers of ChatGPT. Want to learn how to use it? I'm Jessica, and this video is our beginner's guide to Sora, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the app. Now let's get started. Once you've installed Sora, you can log in using your Apple or Google account, or sign up with your email address. If you have an OpenAI account already, you can log in with your existing account. If creating a new account, you'll be prompted to provide your date of birth, choose a username, and add a display name and profile photo if you like. Sora will then prompt you to create an AI avatar of yourself that they call a cameo. This will allow you to create videos using your voice and likeness. You can tap Skip to bypass the cameo making process. If you want to create a cameo, tap Get Started and follow the instructions on your screen to complete the process. This will involve reading some numbers on your screen and showing your face from different angles so Sora can create a digital version of you to use in your videos. Once you've submitted your video, you can configure your cameo options, including who's allowed to use your cameo on Sora, your pronouns, and preferences. Tap Done to save. Now you'll be taken to the Sora homepage. At the bottom, there's a menu similar to popular social apps with tabs for the home feed, Explore, the Create button, Notifications, and your profile. On the Home tab, you'll find the For You feed with videos that have been created by other Sora users. Similar to other video platforms like TikTok or Reels, you can like these videos, add comments, and share them. If you like a user's video and want to see more from them, you can tap the Follow button above their username. When watching a video, you may see dots along the bottom that look like a carousel post on a social media platform. These dots indicate that the video you're watching has been remixed. Swipe sideways to view the remixed videos. You can remix another creator's video by tapping the Remix button on the right. Describe the changes you want to make to the original video. Then tap the upwards arrow to create your remix. Wait for the video to load. This may take a while depending on how complex of a prompt you provided for the remix. Once your remix is complete, you'll see it on your Sora profile under Drafts. On the Explore tab, you can browse popular videos and search for creators if you know someone you'd like to follow on Sora. The Notifications tab is where you'll find any notifications related to engagement with your videos, including likes, comments, remixes, and new followers. On your profile, you'll find any videos and remixes you've created, videos created using your cameos, and videos you've liked. You can also edit your cameo settings here, or retake your cameo if you want to replace it with a new one. Now let's get into how to create your own videos on the Sora app. To create a video with Sora, tap the plus sign in the middle of the menu at the bottom. You can select cameos of yourself and other users to use their likeness in your video. Just tap a creator's name to use their cameo as a character in your video. Now describe the video you want to create. This is the main tool you'll use to create your video, so be as descriptive and specific as needed to ensure that the resulting video looks how you want it. If you want to use a photo or video from your camera roll as a reference, you can tap the photo icon on the left to upload an image from your device. By default, your video will be vertical, but you can change the orientation by tapping Sora at the top. Select Orientation, then choose Landscape. When you're done adding references and crafting your prompt, tap the upwards arrow to submit your request and begin generating your video. The processing time to create your video should only take a few minutes, but may take longer if you give a more complex prompt or if more people are generating videos at that time. When completed, you'll find your new video under the Draft section on your profile. Tap the video to open and watch it. By default, the caption will contain the prompt you submitted to create the video. You can make changes to the caption by tapping Edit Caption. When you're happy with your video and caption, tap Post Video at the bottom to share it to your profile and with other Sora users. If you want to make changes to your video, tap Edit Video. Then you can edit your prompt to make the changes you'd like to see. Sora will generate a new iteration of your video that will appear separately in your Drafts folder. That does it for our beginner's guide to the Sora app. The app has pretty limited features as of right now, but this is an incredibly powerful tool for video creation, and we're excited to see how OpenAI continues to build on it. Want to try out OpenAI's other popular app, ChatGPT? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.